Assalamualaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. All of you are welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Abir Hussain Khan, assistant teacher in mathematics at day shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today, I'm going to take a mathematics class for class 3. And our today's topic is divisional odd problem, question 1 to 3 at page 67, which is included the half yearly syllabus. And our today's lecture is 23 and HW 21, and HW is the same as this class. Now, my dear students, let's go to start our class. The price of 5 eggs is taka 75. What is the price of 1 egg? Now, given that the price of 5 eggs, so we have to write price of 5 eggs is 75 taka. Now, therefore, the price of 1 egg is, we have to divide here 75 divide 5 taka. Here 75 divide 5 and the first digit 7, we know that 5 ones are 5. Now subtract 5 from 7, it will be 2, and bring down 5 here, 2 and 5, it makes 25. And you know that, my dear students, 5 5s are 25. So 75 divided 5, it will be 15 taka. So the answer is price of 1 egg is 15 taka. Hope, my dear students, you understood this one. Now go to the next question, question 2. In the class 3, there are 41 students. 3 students can sit in each bench. How many benches will be needed for them? So, solution is, given that there are 41 students in class 3, there are 41 students. 41 students, and 3 students can sit in each bench. In one bench, 3 students can sit. How many benches will be needed? The bench will be needed 41 divide 3. Here you have to divide 41 divide 3. 3 ones are 3. Subtract 3 from 4, it will be 1. Bring down 1 here, 1 and 1, it makes 11. We know that 3 3s are 9. Then subtract 9 from 11, it is 2. So Divide 41 by 3, it will be 13. It will be 13. But look my dear students, there are extra 2 students. So we need another benches for these 2 students. 31 benches. And there are 2 students more. For them we need 1 more bench, that is 13 plus 1 benches equal 14 benches. So the answer is 14 benches. Hope my dear students you understood this one. Now go to the next question. There are 83 pencils and 7 students. How many pencils will each student get if they share the pencils equally? How many pencils each student get if they share the pencils equally? Now here is the solution is there are 83 students. 83 students and 83 pencils. And we have to divide these pencils among 7 students. One student get 83 divide 7 pencils. Here 83 divide 7. We know that 7 ones are 7. There is 1. Bring down 3 here. It is 13. Again 7 ones are 7. Subtract 7 from 13. It will be 6. So 83 divide 7. It will be 11 pencils and remaining 6 pencils. So the answer is each student get if they share the pencils equally. Answer is 11 pencils. My dear students, hope you understood this one. Practice at your home more and more. Take care of yourself. See you soon and till then, Allah Hafiz.